Hello friends, welcome. Today in this video I will show you how to delete your Facebook account. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. So let's get started. Friends, first open your Facebook app. Tap on your profile icon which is at the top right corner. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Tap on account center. Now tap on personal details. Tap on account ownership and control. Tap on deactivation or deletion. Tap on your account. By default, deactivate account will be selected. Select delete account. After selecting, tap on continue. Deleting your Facebook account will also delete your Facebook pages. So to delete your Facebook account, tap on continue. Select any one reason. Tap on continue. Tap on continue again. Again tap on continue. Enter your password. Tap on continue. You are about to schedule your account for permanent deletion. Once you schedule your account for deletion, you have 30 days to reactivate your account and cancel the deletion. After 30 days, the deletion process will begin and you won't be able to retrieve any of the content or information you have added. After deleting your Facebook account, you have 30 days to reactivate your Facebook account. But after 30 days, your Facebook account will be deleted permanently and you can't reactivate your Facebook account. So to permanently delete your Facebook account, tap on delete account.